Once upon a time, in a strange Roblox Christmas wonderland parallel from our own, there lived a Santa called Santa. Now come every winter, Santa and his trusty reindeer companion Rudolph would spend time making sure that Christmas was always a magical and joyful time of year for the children of the world. And of course there would always be Frosty, the wisecracking G-rated snowman. He was just there for the ride. But those days are long gone. Now, fast forward 24 years later, and Santa is on the last of his days, struggling to even get by without slow assistance. And even though now Santa has an army of clones who do his bidding every year, that's still not to say Santa would be without his burdens. In this instance, it's his trusty companion Rudolph, who's new on the menu. But however will our Santa prepare Rudolph for dinner without Christmas seasoning? Everyone knows reindeers need seasoning to really bring out their rich, musky flavor. He might need some help. Little did Santa know, one cheap hat-wearing individual was on their way to aid him in his mission. And as they were running through the bland, seamlessly never-ending forest, it occurred to this individual that perhaps they were in store for something rather dumb, with horrible voice acting and slow-moving scenery. Yep, Santa got super weird with his old age.
Sorry, it was too hard to have a larger section of the pipe curve, and I still wanted it to be big, so I settled for this one long tunnel. You're gonna have to walk it all.
Hello, user base. Merry Christmas. Oh, we were just about to sit down to enjoy some Christmas dinner with some friends.
Hey, wait, they're our friends. I know, why don't we invite them to join us?
Hey, you're right, Frosty. Christmas is a time for sharing, caring, and making people smile.
Making people smile? I guess you could say this is a Grinter Wonderland.
Oh no, not this again.
I'm getting hungry already. Oh, and I almost forgot. We're having Rudolph.
I hate to ruin the moment here,
yes.
but I didn't offer.
Okay, you wait here, user base. I'll go inside and get everything ready.
They are currently in the house scene. They are currently in the house scene.
Oh no! We're out of magical Christmas seasoning. However will we cook Rudolph without it?
I heard they sell it at the Wildlife Conservation Park. Let's just go there.
Wait, I know. My grandma always has the most perfect seasoning, and she lives in Stony Springs. I'm sure she'd let us borrow some. After all, it is the seasoning. Hoo 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 hoo!
Hey, that's a great idea, Frosty. We'll go on a magical Christmas journey to the retirement home. Hey, will you join us too?
Pause to give answer. You said yes.
Great! Oh, this will be so much fun. Okay, I'm telling you, there's nothing wrong with me.
Goodbye, I'm Santa's wife, Mrs. Claus. My voice has changed since the first game, and I'm gonna die at the end of this one. Stay safe out there. Stay safe. Stay safe. Stay safe. Stay safe. Stay safe.
Trust me, she's
Stay
like
safe.
this at home.
Once again, I'm Mrs. Claus.
All the time.
Stay safe.
I'm an 84-year-old
Stay safe.
man. I don't need people
Stay
telling me
safe.
what to do, you know?
Stay safe. Once again, I'm Mrs. Claus.
Oh, and we're off. Oh, this is so exciting.
Ooh, yes, I can't wait to see Grandma and retrieve the magical festive seasoning.
Yay. Kind of slow.
Oh, look! We're in the magical enchanted forest, and there are hilarious chipmunks sporting oversized shades everywhere. I knew this game would be funny, but I didn't know it would reach this level of hilarity.
Chipmunks? More like hipmunks.
Oh, Frosty, you're so hilarious. I hope there'll be many more light-hearted jokes like that for the remainder of this journey.
Oh.
Look, it's a donkey, and he's coming straight towards us.
Oh, hello, Mr. Donkey. I think he's hungry. There are no carrots around here.
Please stop. Please make it stop.
Bye, Mr. Donkey. Bye-bye.
Good afternoon.
Oh, Mr. Bear.
Hi, Mr. Bear.
Hey.
I was just about to enjoy a nice piece of cake in moderation.
Wow, sounds delicious. It's fine to have a treat every now and then, but there are some foods you should only have in moderation, as eating too much of it at once can be bad for you.
That's right, Frosty. Anyway, where are you going to on this lovely Flower Hat Day?
Ooh, we were going to visit my grandma to retrieve some magical food seasoning.
Really? Well, I guess it is the seasoning.
Well, we should really be going now. We'll leave you be, 'cause it looks like you have enough on your plate as it is.
Have fun.
Thanks,
Bye,
Mr. Bear. See you later.
Nice meeting you.
How on earth does he get a cake in a forest?
Oh, we're going under a bridge.
Wee, oh, it's so dark under here. I love bridges.
Oh, you guys are so annoying. Help me.
Oh, look, we're entering a dark tunnel.
Really? A dark tunnel? Really?
Yes, there's one just ahead of us.
Really?
Yes,
Really?
yes. Now, Santa, don't you try anything this time.
I won't.
Finally, now's my chance.